What if tomorrow you lose your main source of income? Scary, right? Most of us don't even think about it. We just go to work every day, believing our job will always be there. But the truth is, nothing is guaranteed. And that reality hit me hard. I used to feel stuck, stressed, and always worried about money. I was trading all my time and energy, but I still couldn't give my family the life I dreamed. I'm Jasmine Meneses from Park City, Utah. Originally from Angeles City, Pampanga. Kumusta po pa ba din? We've been living here in the United States since 2014. And let me tell you, life here hasn't always been simple. Adjusting to a new culture, environment, and way of living was never easy. Then I discovered something that changed everything. An online business that didn't require a big investment, a fancy degree, or special skills. All I needed was my phone, Wi-Fi, and a willingness to learn. Step by step, I started building, and little by little, I saw results. Now, I get to earn from home, spend more time with the people who matters most, and finally live life on my own terms. No more rushing through traffic, no more missing important moments, just freedom and opportunity. And here are some of the amazing people who took a leap of faith. Most of them started with no business background, no tech skills, and full of doubts. Some are working 9 to 5 jobs, others were full-time parents, pero lahat sila had one thing in common, a desire for change. They chose to take that first brave step, and now they're building their own income. Today, they're enjoying more time with family, financial freedom, and the confidence that comes from creating something of their own. Their stories are proof that when you believe in yourself and commit to the process, anything is possible. If they can do it, so you can. If you're ready to take that first step, just visit my website, register, and watch the free 20 minutes webinar. Because sometimes one small decision can change your whole future. Thank you and have a good day.